So you might be wondering how to exactly fix the Toniebox screen light but no sound. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So the first thing that you want to do here, you want to check the volume using the Toniebox ears. Now, a green light means the Toniebox is on and ready. So silence is often just volume related. So tap the big ear for a few times here to raise the volume. That can get turned all the way down without being obvious. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to remove and reseat the Tony figure. Now lift the Tony figure off the box, wait a second here, then place it back on firmly. Now if the figure wasn't seated properly, the box may look active but won't play sound. Next thing you want to do is you want to go and just try a different Tony figure here. So put a different Tony on the box. If the second one plays sound, the first figure may not be downloaded correctly or could be faulty. Now, you want to also restart the Toniebox here, so turn the Toniebox upside down and press both ears at the same time until you hear a shutdown sound or see the light change. Turn it back on and try again. This clears small playback glitches. Now, some Tonies need Wi-Fi to download their audios the first time, so make sure the Toniebox is connected to Wi-Fi and leave the figure on the box for a few minutes so it can finish downloading. Now, if the sound still doesn't work, connect the Toniebox to a Wi-Fi and let it sit powered on. Updates install automatically and can fix audio issues without any warning. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.